much, Roberto. My name is Moritz Glandin. I'm working as a business innovation consultant at DXC Technology, and I'm very proud to be joined here on stage with two very innovative companies with which we jointly and openly developed seamless and unique solution approach for all kinds of data-driven mobility services. In general, collecting vehicle data is nothing entirely new, and also using this data or the insights of this data to create new revenue streams and improve the business efficiency is also something more and more companies are doing. But in the previous years, where we were providing solutions to these companies, also in more recent years together with Scope Technology, we realized that a big hurdle of these companies is to the availability of accurate, of reliable live vehicle data. And therefore we came across High Mobility and now also Scope Technology, which will now to have a new, more seamless approach to offer these or enable these increased business efficiencies and new revenue streams for data-driven mobility services. And I will now hand it over to Katharina and to Richard to further elaborate on the distinctive startup capabilities.
Thank you, Moritz. So I'm Katharina, I'm from High Mobility. We are a neutral server marketplace. We directly connect to the OEM backends. So we are right in the middle between Scope and the manufacturer. We connect to the backend, but the added value that we really bring is that we provide adapters. So every manufacturer communicates the data in a different way, in a different format, and having to integrate with every manufacturer separately is a lot of hard work, and standardizing even more. Therefore, we take away this burden, and we're specialized in only providing these data interfaces or creating these adapters for the different manufacturer flows, and then we provide one API endpoint for customers such as DXC and Scope. We also add value on the business side, of course. We have one interface for invoicing, for contracts, but the added value in the end comes from Richard in terms of data.
Perfect, thank you very much. So with the data coming from High Mobility, we are able to aggregate that information into our Scope ecosystem. What that allows us to do is we're able to produce a very bespoke solution, which we then serve multiple industries. On top of that, we also enrich the data further that's coming through from High Mobility. Some of the data that we will enrich will include map information, weather information, customer information, basically any type of information that can affect a risk score. Once we have the data into our platform, we are then able to provide this bespoke solution to the rest of the ecosystem, and there are four main market clients that we serve. Insurance customers, fleet clients, we can have car rental companies, car leasing companies. So those are the four main market verticals. We do serve a couple of others, but for the main purpose of the discussion, the four main market verticals. Now, Scope is quite an established company already. What we have done is we've taken it the next level up to be able to ingest further High Mobility data, obviously together with DXC, that we are then able to avoid using third-party devices, whether it is fitted devices, cell phone-based devices in terms of the telematics. That's how we help the end clients rather to save cost on the hardware components. Perfect. For those who have not come to our booth, please do come through. More than happy to take this discussion further. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Don't go super far away because right now we have a surprise. Maybe for that I want to introduce and welcome in our partner success manager, Fabian.
Thank you, Roberto. But not just thank you, Roberto. Thank you especially to Scope Technology Scope Technology, High Mobility, and DXC Technology. It is super exciting to see a project like that, to have two startups and a corporate that work together on solving a challenge, and having one startup that is very good at gathering data, one startup that is very good at collecting and combining data into meaningful data packages, and then having DXC Technology which has the expertise and long expertise in implementing those solutions at its customers. And this impactful gathering and compiling of data at end customers is really, really great, and that's why we are super, super happy to present our Startup Autobahn Cross Collaboration Award to you guys and to DXC Technology.
Thank you very much, Fabian. Thank you very much, Startup Autobahn. Yeah, should I say something? Or?
You're free,
okay.
Of course.
So as I already mentioned in the beginning, I'm very proud to have these two companies here with me on stage, because I think this is once again an outstanding example of how open innovation really works and what value add it can bring to companies, to our customers, because we have two distinct, two companies with very distinct capabilities. But when adding or combining these two capabilities together, we have an even bigger value add to our customers in the end. And that's why I think this collaboration across three companies is very valuable.
So my side,
You can pass the thing on, and then the one that has it can speak.
So on our side, I have to give a special mention to DXC as well for bringing us together. So obviously, having that level of data autonomously come into our platform is a huge pain point that we have been suffering for many years. So having that seamless integration is one less headache for us. Thank you.
Well, I think there's not much more to say. Thank you very much for this honor of providing us this award, and I think, the collaboration will speak for itself in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.